Okay, class. Today you will be doing math books. Get out your math books. Hey, dark Maoist China. What in the world was that?
Um, it's my math book.
No, that's not a math book. That's a electric drill. You know you're not allowed to bring an electric drill to school. It's dangerous. So, put that away right now.
I'll put that away all right, but I slice my desk in half. Ha 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 ha. Yes, I sliced my desk in half. Yes, I sliced my desk in half.
Oh my freaking God. Dark Maoist China. How dare you slice your desk in half? Your desk costs $700. Now I have to buy a new one all thanks to you. That's it. Go to the principal's office right now.
So Dark Maoist China. What brings you here in my office?
I sliced my desk in half.
Dark Maoist China. I can't believe you slice your desk in half. Your desk costs $700. Now we have to buy a new one all because of you. That's it. You're suspended for 9 days. Go home right now while I email your parents about this.
Dark Maoist China. I just got an email from your principal. He said that you sliced your desk in half and got suspended for 9 days. Your desk cost $700. Now thanks to you, now I have to buy a new one all because of you. That's it. You're grounded until your 9 days of suspension from school is over. March upstairs to your room now and think about what you did. Or else I will send you to the mental people's home. And I will tell your mother about this when she gets home.
Yeah.